Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to show a trick of Vedic maths. So in this video, I am going to show how to multiply even numbers with 5. So this multiplication of numbers with 5 is a fundamental trick of Vedic maths. So if you know this trick, then you can do lot of calculations very easily without using pen and paper. So let us see first. I will take a simple even number, say 36 into 5. So I have to multiply 36 with 5. So I hope that you know what are even numbers. Even numbers are nothing but numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. So 36 is a even number. That is 36 is exactly divisible by 2. So I want to multiply 36 with 5. How to do that? So I will divide the answer into two parts, say left part and the right part. So always remember, whenever you are multiplying an even number with 5, the units digit of the answer will always contain a 0. So first step is put 0 in the units digit of the answer. That is on the right part. So on the right part of the answer you put 0. Now to get the left portion of the answer, now the given number is 36. Find half of 36. So 36 into 1 by 2. So 36 by 2 is nothing but equal to 18. So put 18 here. So the answer is 180. So this is our required answer. It's as simple as this. So 36 into 5 is equal to 180. Now let us take another two digit number, say 84 into 5. So this is equal to, so 84 is a even number, so put 0 in the units digit of the answer. Now find half of 84. 84 divided by 2 is nothing but 42. So this is our required answer. So if you see this method, it is very useful. It saves lot of time. So if you take a traditional method of multiplication, say 36 into 5. So if you do by this traditional method, it takes lot of time. So by using this Vedic maths trick, you can save lot of time, especially if you are preparing for any entrance exam. Now let us take a 3-digit number. For example, say 284 into 5. So 284 is the even number. So put 0 in the units digit of the answer. In the units place of the answer, I have put 0. Now find half of that 284. Half of 284 is nothing but 142. So 284 into 5 is equal to 1420. Like this, you can play with numbers. You can take any number and you can multiply that number with 5 very easily. Now let us take a 4-digit number. For example, 4894 into 5. So this is equal to, so 4894 is the even number. Put 0 in the units place of the answer. Find half of 4894. So half of 4 is 2, half of 8 is 4. So then 4 and 7. So 24,470 is the required answer. So 4,894 into 5 is equal to 24,470. You can confirm this if you want. So 4,894 into 5. If you take this, 5 4s are 20, 0 2 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. So 5 4s are 22, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47, 4 carry, sorry, 4 carry. So 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. So we got the correct answer. So the required answer is 24,470. So like this, you can take any number and you can multiply with 5 easily. So my request is, after watching this video, please don't leave it like that. Take about 50 to 60 even numbers and multiply it. And when you are doing the multiplication, please focus on accuracy. Don't bother about speed. Speed will come only through practice. So the more you practice, the more confident you will become and your speed will also increase. So I hope you like this trick, and in the next video I am going to come up with another trick, that is I am going to show you how to multiply odd numbers with 5. So I hope that you like this session, and if you want to really encourage me, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please post your comments. Your opinion about this video matters a lot for me. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.